Hi, and welcome back to Hook Eat Up. Today we're going to be making one of my favorite winter and evening cocktails, the Rob Roy. Now the Rob Roy is a cousin to the American Manhattan. The only difference is instead of using American bourbon whiskey, we use Scotch whiskey. Now to make this recipe you're going to need the following ingredients. You're going to need a single malt Scotch. I'm using Glenlivet 12 year, sweet vermouth, a martini glass, ice, a lemon, a martini shaker, Angostura bitters or any aromatic bitters, and a measuring thimble. Now making this cocktail is rather easy. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get some ice into the martini glass just to chill the glass out. Once that's all topped off, I'm going to add the rest of the ice directly to the shaker. Then the next thing that's going to go into the shaker is going to be your scotch. Now I'm going to take 2 pours of scotch, which is about 2 ounces. 1 and 2. I'm going to take 1 part of the sweet vermouth. Pour that right in. And then 2 dashes of the bitters. And then instead of shaking, you're going to stir this cocktail for about a minute just to allow the flavors to blend and dilute a bit. Now, the reason that you stir instead of shaking is because when you shake it, you disrupt the different layers of flavors that's in there. Remember, you have alcohol, you have the sweet vermouth, which is a little thicker, and then you have the bitters in there. When you shake it, it muddles all the flavors. Stirring it keeps the flavors separated and allows for a better flavor profile. Now you want to stir this for a minute just so you get all of the ice kind of melted into the cocktail. It helps to dilute it a bit so it's not as harsh, and it gives the cocktail a little more volume. Now once you've stirred that for a sufficient amount of time, you're going to just toss the ice that was chilled in the martini glass. Get your strainer and strain this directly into your martini glass. It should be nice and clear, it shouldn't be cloudy. If you shake it up, it's going to be cloudy and really disrupt the look and, like I said, the flavor. Now with your paring knife, what you want to do is get just the lemon peel for the full length of the lemon. Now we're going to use this as a garnish and for the final flavoring of the cocktail. Now you have 1 lemon peel here. What you're going to do is that you're going to just twist that directly into the top of the drink, and that's going to release the oils from the lemon. And then you're going to wipe down just the edges of the martini glass and drop this right in there. Now what that does is it drops a nice layer of lemon or citrus oil right across the top of the cocktail and on the rim. So when you take a sip, you get all that aroma, you get that flavor in there, and it makes the drink just that much better. And there you have it, your classic Rob Roy cocktail. Now if you're not already subscribed to the Hook Eat Up, it's that time. Hit that subscription button, like, and don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. Stay tuned for more cocktail videos, and take care.